Guys, today I have HMD XR21 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To set it, open our settings application. In it, we tap on our network and internet, and there we choose our SIMs, where we have our SIM card. We tap on it and there data warming and limit. First step, we can set when our sales start, maybe first day of each month. Press set. There we can by switch turn on or turn off our data warming, and we can set in custom number, maybe on 5 gigabytes, megabytes, what you prefer. And the same with data limit, we can turn on it, confirm by OK, and we can set it also in gigabytes or megabytes. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.